What's going on, Garrett here. By the end of this video, you'll discover 3 of the best traffic sources you can use online to get endless, hyper-targeted free traffic to your affiliate links. Whether you don't have a lot of money for paid traffic or you just want to also drive massive free traffic to make easy sales, again, this video is for you. You'll see step-by-step how to get in front of people most likely to buy from you so commissions will flow in almost instantly. So if you're excited for that, stay tuned and let's get to it. Okay, now the very first free traffic source I highly recommend is Twitter. Now there's actually a free tool I'm gonna reveal to you right now that you can use with your Twitter account that will allow you to find people ready to buy whatever affiliate product you're promoting. Now the free tool is called TweetDeck. Okay, I'm going to include a link directly below this video. You can click and actually access this tool right now. Once you attach your Twitter account to this tool, go to Add Column, go to Search, okay? Now, what we want to think about is what problems are people struggling with that our product that we're promoting solves. So if you have a product that you're currently promoting with affiliate marketing, maybe it helps people lose weight, maybe it helps people make more money. Whatever that product does, it solves a problem. So what phrase would someone say if they're complaining about the problem that our product helps solve? So let's say for this video that I'm selling a product that helps people lose weight. Well, someone may say, you know, I want to lose weight. So what happens is on Twitter, people tweet phrases, right? They'll just say things. So what we can do is use this tool to find those people. And stick with me because this is incredibly powerful. So what we do in this box is we hit quote, the quote sign, and then the phrase. So for example, I want to lose weight. And then the end quote, and then we hit enter. Now what this does is it actually creates a column, of people that within, a few hours ago have said these words. So this account right here, this person, IU, people want to lose weight. I want to lose weight because I want my body. Okay. So this person right here has just an hour ago said they want to lose weight. So if we can contact this person and share our affiliate link, there's a very, very high percentage of chance that they're going to actually purchase our product. These people are literally right in the moment looking for a solution. I'm following into fast because I want to lose weight. Okay, so once we find someone that says this, and again, I hope you realize how incredibly powerful this is. Almost no one's sharing this tool because we can get in front of people. The problem with affiliate marketing is often when we run our ads, people aren't really looking for what we're trying to promote. But these people are literally within an hour ago struggling with the problem that our product solves. So what we can do is we can actually click this little speech bubble and we can reply to their tweet. So I can say something like, hey, my friend, I saw your tweet. You said you want to lose weight. I actually found a way to do it really easy. If you're interested, direct message me. Right? Or if you're interested, reply back and I'll share with you more information. And then they'll reply to your comments and then you can share your affiliate link. Okay, again, this is absolutely incredible. And you can literally just copy this and tweak it slightly and go down the line. Okay, I want to lose weight. I shouldn't even be drinking if I want to lose weight. Just say the same thing to this person. This is the first traffic source. Use this. Now, the second traffic source for free that I highly recommend is Facebook. Okay, now with Facebook, you can, post on your Facebook profile, and I have different videos on that. But for this method, we're actually going to be using Facebook groups. So what we want to do is we want to actually go up here in the search bar, and we want to search 1 or 2 words that have to do with the product that we're promoting. So again, for this example in this video, let's say we want to help people lose weight. Our affiliate product is a training that teaches people how to shed fat, okay? So you can type in on the search bar on Facebook, lose weight, or lose weight fast, and then search that. Now that's gonna, take you to a list of different things, videos, pages, but we're interested in groups, so you can even filter by groups. Now what we wanna do is we wanna look for the public groups with a lot of members, because what you can do is you can actually open up this group, and I did this here, Okay, so this isn't a group. This has 140,000 members. Okay, so just to take a step back, when we're promoting a product with affiliate marketing, we want to find people that are already interested in the product we're promoting. A lot of people take their affiliate product, they try to approach their friends and family to sell it, and more often than not, your friends and family are just not interested in what you're trying to sell. So the best and easiest way to make affiliate commissions is to find people that are already interested and just present them with a high converting offer. Now, what we can do is once we go into this group with tons of members, we can go to the members tab. And now what you want to do is scroll down and look for new to the group, okay? Because these people have recently joined, okay? You can see 44 minutes ago. So these people very recently have joined a group that helped them lose weight. So these people in this moment are looking to lose weight. So what can we do? Well, there's actually a few things we can do, okay? Number one is when you find someone, you can actually message them. So you can say something like, hey, Tori, okay, because that's the person's name. I saw you in the Easy Weight Loss Tips group. I am also a member. How long have you been trying to lose weight? I know many others who have struggled with this, and it's definitely a serious topic. Okay, something like that, right? You just want to try to get some rapport, comment on, hey, I found you in this group. I share a similar thing, or I know other people that share a similar thing. Basically you're just trying to connect with these people, okay? You're not trying to pitch them in the first message. You're just trying to get a little relationship going, okay? Now, they're going to reply back, okay, many of them, and they may say, yes, I've been trying to lose weight myself. I've been trying this, trying that. They're going to start to open up, and you want to ask them a few more questions to try to, figure out if they're a fit for your product, right? What have they tried in the past? Get them to really open up with their pain. And then once they're opening up, after a day or two, you send some messages delayed, right? So you have that rapport. After a day or two, you can actually say, you know what? I really resonate with your story. I came across a solution recently, and I think you could really value from it. I can share you some info if you're interested. And then if they say yes, you just send them your affiliate link. So this is a very, very powerful free traffic method. Now, the last free traffic source I want to share with you is Quora. Now, Quora is basically a platform where people can ask questions on certain topics and other people can reply answers. So what we want to do is once we go to Quora, you want to create a free account, and then we want to search Quora by, again, a word or up to 3 words that what our product we're promoting has to do with. So if you're promoting a lose weight product, okay, so I can do lose weight fast, and I can search, okay? Now what that's going to do is filter all these different questions that someone has asked. What are the best ways to lose weight? How can I lose weight quickly? What is the best way to lose weight fast? So you can just open any of these, and what you're going to notice is, okay, they have all these people answering this question, okay? Now, what we want to do with Quora is we want to actually answer this person's question and then lead them to our affiliate offer. But with Quora, you can't directly link them to your affiliate link, okay? So you can't just answer, hey, what are the best ways to lose weight? Check this out here, and then put your link. You can't do that. Quora has different spam restrictions and things like that in place, so they'll actually remove your answer. So instead, what we want to do is we want to go to answer, and we want to write a thoughtful answer, okay, a valuable answer. Now, you may think, how do I know how to answer this, right? I don't know the best way to lose weight. Well, you can just go to Google, okay, google.com, and you can just search, what are the best ways to lose weight? Read over some blogs, read over some articles, take what people say, put it slightly in your own words, and then paste it in this box, okay? So some of the best answers have, up to, 1 to 3 paragraphs, okay? So you really want to be detailed, share some value, and then what you want to do is you want to link to a blog, okay? And on that blog, we're going to have our affiliate link. Now, don't freak out if you don't have a blog, you don't want to pay money to do that. Again, this is 100% free. what you can do is you can go to Google, you can type in Blogger and go to blogger.com. Okay, again, I'll include a link under this video. Once you open that, okay, it gets taken here. Now, I've already created a Blogger account. Again, it's totally free, but it allows you to create blog posts. So you can just go to new post, okay, and it actually creates a blog post. So I can say, you know, looking for the best way to lose weight. And then in this little article, I could say, go here to see my top recommendation. And then we would put in our affiliate link right there. Okay, and then you could publish. Okay, so you just publish that right there. Now what we can do is we can actually get our link, okay, to this article that we've created. And then once we answer, towards the end of our answer on Quora, we say, hey, I've actually covered this, you know, a little bit more, or I shared my #1 way to actually lose weight. Just go to my blog here to see it. And then at the end of our answer on Quora, we just put our Blogger article link, okay? So people will actually go to it and click our affiliate link, and we can start to make affiliate commissions. And you can see that some of these, you know, 47,000 views. Okay, so this person answered this 2 years ago, and they're still getting views. They're still getting upvotes and things like that 2 years later. So this method is incredible for free traffic. You can use it to promote YouTube videos and other things as well. So there we have it, my friend. I hope you got a ton of value, and now you understand 3 of the best free traffic sources for affiliate marketing. Now, if you're watching this video and you want to discover my #1 affiliate program, so you can actually use this traffic sources to generate instant paying commissions, even on autopilot, be sure to click the first link in the description and check out that free video. And also be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell under this video right now so you never miss out on my weekly step-by-step affiliate marketing training. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.